In last video, we have discussed about a previous day or month or a year, quarter, and all. But in case I have some custom numbers, like I don't want 1 day, I need a 7 days, or I need a previous 10 days, or I need a previous 14 days data to be shifted like that. I just want to do that one. Then how can we do this? Okay, just to show that one, like I just take it out this order data in this place. Okay, you may be got confused, so that what I will do, just delete this. We'll create a new table. I'll go to focus mode. I'll take this order date into the value, so date will be there. In that I need a sales, so sales here. Okay, I just need a like 10 days. Okay, before what was the data in a next column I need. Okay, then how can we do that one? We can't use the previous year. What we have to use, date add one formula is that. How to do that one? We'll go to measure table. I'll create a new function, new measure. I just say uh, previous underscore 10 day. Okay, previous 10 days I just want to calculate. So calculate, I need a sum of I need a sales value. So we take, okay, then uh, comma, we have to filter for the last 14 days, right? So date add, I have this function date add. In date add, first it asks for the date column. So I need a order date, that is a column we have, dot date convert, comma. Now we ask the number of intervals, like previous means minus we have to do. If you like to take a forward, like next 10 days means plus we have to say. So minus 10, comma. Then it asks the what kind of like intervals you will be looking for. Is it a daily or monthly, 10 months or previous 10 quarters or previous 10 years? I just want 10 days, previous 10 days, so selected a day. Close the bracket. Complete a date add formula. It complete a calculate formula. Enter. So here we have taken previous 10 days. Right? If I select that one, okay, if I drag it to the value, we get here like 10 days shift in your things will be taken place. Right? For example, after 10 days, how much you need, a difference you need means we can calculate by using that sum of this minus this one. If you do, then you will get a difference between them, right? So these way we can check that how exactly we have. And in case I just want like a previous 10 month I need, so what we have to do here, minus 10 only, but here instead of day I need to select a month. Okay, if I select a month, it will take the monthly basis, last 10 month data it will take. So I need to close this day, so that we get to know that last 10 month is it referred or not. Okay, last, like I just want to every 2 quarter it has to compare. So what I will do, I will change this formula to minus 2, I say quarter. Okay, now if I enter here, it will modify it to the quarterly basis. If I just take out this month, so that it show that, okay, last 2 quarter, quarter 1 and 2 it will leave, then it will shift it to the quarterly basis total, right? The similarly I need a yearly basis, like last 2 year I just need. So what we have to do, we have to select here, instead of quarter we have to make it as a year. I can say 2 year. I say okay. Okay, it will applied. Close it. I'll close this quarter. Only year wise I have taken last 2 year. Okay, first 2 year it will skip, then it will take the last 2 year data here. Okay, like this, we can customize the time period also, not only 1 day or 1 month or 1 quarter or 1 year, which we seen in a previous formula. We can customize the like number of years or number of month or number of quarter or number of days by using a date add formula. That is the only difference we have been found between them. Okay, date, instead of previous day or previous month formula, we use the date add formula. There we select that how many days previous we have to refer, or a month we have to refer, day, quarter we have to refer, or year we have to refer. There's the one more modification we have been done with the previous formula. We can say the advanced level of the previous formula.